More a picture of a grandmother than a head of state, as she was dressed in her usual clothes for Balmoral. The Queen had still wanted to personally appoint her 15th Prime Minister, despite recent concerns about her health.
I think what we've seen today is what we would normally see at Buckingham Palace. The pictures are no more and no less. And the royal family have always, especially Her Majesty, operated under the premise of see and be seen. So that is indeed what's happened today. The official work continues. You know, that's what the monarchy is about. It's about that continuity, keeping up with what papers are coming across the Queen's desk as our head of state.
This was her last official outing in July before heading to Balmoral. Since then, no photographs have been published of her on her summer break. The camera's only here now because of the handover. Last weekend, she didn't go with Prince Charles and Camilla to her usual favourite, the Balmoral Games. But there are no suggestions that she's deteriorated, more a sense that we all just need to get used to the fact she can't quite do as much anymore. The Palace are certainly taking much more of a common sense approach, adapting the Queen's plans so that she can carry out the duties that she believes are expected of her. And in this case, it means starting a very important relationship with Liz Truss. Her Majesty has often described how Prime Ministers unburden themselves during their weekly audiences, and that may well come as some reassurance to her new Prime Minister, who has so much in that in tray. Inevitably, there will be all kinds of comparisons between the start of one in 2019 and now the beginning of another. What hasn't changed is her determination to keep working in any way she can, even at 96. Rhiannon Mills, Sky News at Balmoral.